Hey everyone, this is Michael from h2x. I'm going to show you how quickly you can use our AutoCAD export in order to get your pipe sizes, radiator sizes and plant sizes over into your working AutoCAD model. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your crosshair is aligned to a common point on the building that you're then going to need to reference over in your AutoCAD design. Secondly, you're going to want to make sure that all of your filters that you have shown to the side here in the results view are those that you want to show on your AutoCAD export. Any of the tick ones will come through as text, so just make sure that you've selected the ones you want to use essentially. Then, once you're happy with that, hit export, go to the AutoCAD export there. That will download the necessary JSON file that we're going to use in a moment. And you can see this is our working AutoCAD model. If I create a new drawing, go to the model space, type in h2x import. This is then going to ask us to select a JSON, so our heating example there. We then just need to map the different systems to the appropriate layers in AutoCAD, which will be based on your drawing template, your DWT file. You can do that for valves, using associated blocks as well from your system block library, also on plant and risers and your radiators and things. Hit import, and then that's going to download a DWG that we can now use as a XREF to put onto our existing AutoCAD model. So on this drawing, if we type in XREF, go to add an XREF here, grab our most recent download there, which is our heat pump example ground floor, hit open. We can then make sure that our scale is correct, hit OK. It's then going to ask us to place our reference point, so this will be the blue crosshair in h2x, and we just need to place that on the same spot we did in h2x. That will then overlay the heating system pipes with the appropriate pipe sizing and radiator sizing. This should now show up on your custom company drawing template file with all of your logos, titles and formatted exactly the way you want to use it. Okay, if you have any questions about our AutoCAD export or would just like to be shown it in a bit more detail, feel free to book a demonstration with myself. I'm going to leave a meeting link in the description here. But yeah, I hope you have a nice day. Thanks very much, guys.